Subscribe to Hungry Belly by pressing the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get regular notifications. Hello everyone, this is the home chef Sagar Kataria who welcomes you all to the next episode of Hungry Belly. So today on the menu, I got something really special for the seafood lovers. This dish is super simple, very quick to be made, and it's super yummy. It's nothing but grilled green fish. So I have divided this dish into 3 stages. Let's crack on with the first stage. So let's begin with the first stage. Here I have taken silver pomfret. The type of fish can depend on your choice. So first, let's make some gashes on the fish and on the other side too. Make sure your fish is really clean and fresh. So let's repeat with the second one too. Once that's done, I'll be adding in some mustard oil, some turmeric powder, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, lime juice, and give it a good massage till everything is nicely marinated. Make sure you put the masala in the gashes too. So our first marination is ready. Let's keep the fish aside and get with the second marination. So let's begin with the making of green paste, for which I've taken a good bunch of coriander leaves, about an inch of ginger, a small piece of onion, about 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 medium green chilies, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and a small bunch of mint leaves. Now let's give this a lid and grind it to a fine paste. So हमारा हरा मसाला तैयार है. So let's remove this in a bowl and keep it aside. So now it's time for the second marination. To the ground green paste, we're adding in about a teaspoon of mustard oil again. Give this a good mix, and then we have to marinate the fish with the green masala. Give this a good rub. Make sure they go inside the gashes too. Put the masala inside the cut part of the face too. So as you can see, we have only added half of the paste. The remaining half paste goes in later. Now it's time to grill the fish. In the grill pan, I'll be adding in about 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. Let this pan heat nicely. It should be really nice and hot. So the pan is nice and hot. Now place in your fish slices one by one. Now reduce the flame to medium. Add in about a little bit of mustard oil on the top and let your fish sear for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So it's been about 2 minutes. Let's flip the fish. After flipping the fish, I have some fresh dill leaves here. We'll be adding in a little bit to the oil, which will give it a good fragrance. So it's been about 2 minutes on the other side too. We'll be flipping the fish again. Be gentle so that you don't break the fish. As you can see, there's a nice roast on the fish. And now, as you remember, we had saved half of the paste and some on the other fish too. Save some for the other side again. After cooking that side for about 3 minutes, give this a flip again. To cook the masala, we applied again. So the last time, apply the paste on this side. And once that's done, immediately flip the fish. Fry this for about a minute and your fish is cooked. So the fish has cooked for about 5 minutes on each side. Switch off the flame. Time to plate it. So your grilled green fish or Haryali Machhi is ready. Have a look. This type of fish can go as a starter, can go as a good company for your rice or with roti too. I really hope you like this seafood dish. Do try this at home and let me know how it came out in the comment section. Hit a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. This is Sagar Kataria. I will see you next time with another dish. Until then, take care. Bye bye.